Hello. I love you. I love you.
You're not getting food yet. No. You get it at 1 or 2. It's not even noon yet. No. 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 Oh, come up here and pop it. I'm not popping it. You don't say no. No. Yeah.
Don't eat my plants.
Criminal offensive side eye.
What's the matter, George? What's the matter? You wanna go to bed? Yeah, you wanna go to bed now? Hello. Hello. Oh, hi. Hi, girl. Hello. Hello.
Would you like some more dinner? What? You don't want your sprouts? Why? Why don't you like sprouts? No? What, do you want me to eat your sprouts? Yes. I'll eat your sprouts then. There's your dinner.
Not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn.
Me. 打扰了。
Do you remember what I told you? Do you remember? I said if you talk like that again, you're not gonna be able to get the food you want. And don't act so sad now, because you were talking back.
Are you hungry? Yeah. What do you want, Yuna? Food? You're gonna get funny.
It's time to go in your bed. No, get up. We're not about to do this. Let's go. Come on. You about to do that. Get your behind up. Get up, Rocco.
What are you doing? Should you be up there? Do you know how to get down?
Matt. What? No, Zuko, it's okay. She's just in the shower. I know, she's just in the shower. She's okay.
Princess, what's up? No, tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
今天学拼音啊，先学一个短音啊，可以。接下来是一个长音啊，真棒。那最后这个来点难度啊，它是一个颤音啊。来吧，想你吃肉肉。
Cosmo, I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm fucking gay, dude. I'm gay.
You want to tell me about your day? Oh, it was good? What'd you do? Oh, that's nice. That sounds really good. Oh, wow. Ain't that? Jeez, you did a lot.
You're so.
Right? And then we're to get your treats and your chicken.
you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
A little hesitation, a touch of grace, even the choosiest hearts eventually say yes to love or food.
What are you doing?
Freedom always has a price, but who cares when you still look iconic afterward?
Hey-ho.
But I need to get up. You don't want to get up? Are you sleepy? But I have to shower.
Okay. Okay. You want some treats? Jackson, where are you? Where is my wallet? What did you do with it? Where is it? You don't know?
Laundry? Look at this. Look at this. And then I have to cook. And then I have to clean. And I have to go to work tomorrow. And all you do is sleep all day.
你好白，好可爱呀！哦，可爱。哦哟，哎，是真可爱呀。
Yeah, you wanna eat? Yeah, no, it's fine. I wasn't talking to you. Yeah, you and Dad are gonna eat? Okay.
皮皮，皮皮，我操！
I said a boom boom boom. Let me hear you say, wow.
Annie, guess what? Chicken butt. Guess what happened at work today? You don't care.
你跟我说啥？你跟我说啥呢？来，公主下来，来，过来。好了，给你道歉了，行了，道歉了，好了，行了，道歉了，好了，嘘。让我妹回来。
Despacito. ¿Sí? ¿Pollito? Ok. 老廖，
宝宝，哎呦，你有没有想我？
I have my own pets. We didn't ask for you. You better get off my porch. Listen, you have.
过来。
慢慢，还要弟弟。慢慢。
What's wrong? I can't keep petting you. I need to work. Okay.
What? Why are you so grumpy? Oh no. Yeah? What do you need? So what do you want? I'm home. Okay. It's good to see you.
Just don't laugh at him. It's okay, Wonky. Wonky!
That jealous meow says, "Excuse me, I'm still here."
Yeah, you tell him, sus. Yeah. T.
I've been playing with you all morning. I literally stopped to just have my coffee, and now you're not even letting me finish talking. I need to have some me time. No.
Comment tu dis maman? Oui.
What, babies? Where are we looking? What's up, babies? Oh, are we gonna come ask for treats? Yeah?
Walter, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, you want to go? You want to go for a walk?
Hi! What you doing? Yeah? You like the sun?
Bu NGA. Bu. Lagi. Bitu. BU NGA. Bu.
Wow.
Velvet say yeah.
I will always love.
Baby, time to get up. Baby, it's time to get up.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
At the moon at 2 in the morning when its owner has to be up at 4 in the morning. Suspect talks more than a teenage girl.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?